in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ad measurement tracking on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select the menu icon up to the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, select Add Privacy. Select Add Measurement. And then you can toggle this on or off, and you can read more about what it's actually tracking down here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.